Hi, from Paul Simon and Entrepreneurial Grit. I just want to demonstrate our product range today as we're looking to try and get collaboration with the XRD paintbrush unit. I just thought to do this video to demonstrate some of the product range. Just flick the camera around and we have this range of products. We want to work with the XRD unit in actually physically printing our key fobs. This one in particular is the packaging for the sunglasses, etc., and utilising the XRD unit to print barcodes and brand and QR codes on each key, so then we can then mechanically go and store the keys with the branding on, etc. And we feel as though the XRD unit is very important for that unit, and this is part of the, we want to brand the StepRack Touch, and we want to demonstrate with the keys that can be used on the StepRack Touch with incorporated with sunglasses. But ultimately it's there to brand and put QR codes, etc., and full traceability. And this is what we need. The QR unit is realistic, the XDR unit paintbrush to brand the product, and with a QR code at the same time, then we've got full traceability. So though we know that the barcode and printing is essential, we currently are laser printing and we are talking to inkjet systems, but the XDR unit would be absolutely perfect for us, and we're looking to join and collaborate in some capacity with the XRD unit, so then we can file keys in multiples, in filing cabinets, in blocks on walls for auto dealers, for surveyors, for sites, construction, anybody who has multiple keys that need to be logged and sorted. This is the StepRack range, and we also need to brand this, which is really like an office desk, which is a table platform which goes on the back of pickup trucks. So then we want to brand and have registered numbers to correspond to the unique aspect of both products realistically, so that we have got traceability wrapped round each of the components. And the XDR unit is absolutely fantastic for us. So please like us, follow us, rate us, and most of all join us, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks very much. Speak to you again soon. Bye for now.